It's 2025. We are leaving the filters behind, but don't fear, I'm gonna show you how to look like one in real life so you don't even need to use the filters.
Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an interest? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off.
It literally feels so good to be back filming makeup videos. I feel like I haven't filmed a makeup video in a while. A sit down tutorial. I've got a lot of new makeup recently and I'm just so excited to film these videos for y'all. As y'all can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to get an in real life filter makeup look because girl, it's 2025. We are leaving the filters behind, but don't fear, I'm going to show you how to look like one in real life so you don't even need to use the filters. Like I mentioned in my last video, I think it was my last vlog, I think, depending what order I post these videos in, because I have a few videos lined up for y'all. But like I said, I got a new camera lens and I'm so happy it's a wide angle lens because I just feel like the Sony ZV-1F, which is the camera that I got, is just so close up to my face. I was like, I love filming in 0.5 on iPhone, so I was like, I need that for my camera. Like, that's just gonna motivate me so much more to film videos because look how good it looks. I got this drink from Starbucks. I tried to try the strawberry pink drink from Starbucks with matcha cold foam because I heard it was busted, so I ordered it and this is what it looks like now. Like, I don't know, was that supposed to happen? I'm not sure, but it was very, very good at first when I first received it, but it's a bit weird now. Like I said, I already did my skincare. Before you do your makeup, you need to be doing your skincare. That's one thing I will live by and swear by. I used to be one of those girls that didn't even do my skincare before my makeup and wondered why my makeup wasn't turning out like the Instagram girls makeup. It's because you need to skincare prep, so I already did that. I put some hyaluronic acid on, moisturizer, face oil, eye cream, you know, we did the whole thing. So now it's time to go in with primer. I'm going to be using 2 silicone based primers, and the reason why is because I'm going to be using the baby skin primer, and this is by the brand Maybelline. This is literally an OG product. Y'all, if you're a makeup girl, you have to know what this product is, but it's very affordable and very blurring. If you guys don't want to spend $50 on a high-end primer, then I recommend this one because I'm not the type of girl to spend that much money on a primer. And also I'm going to use the e.l.f. Power Grip primer for stickiness because I feel like this primer right here isn't sticky enough. If you do this and use 2 primers, make sure the primers are the same. These are both silicone based primers. You want to be using the same based primer. So if I were to use a water-based primer, I would have to use 2 water-based primers. Y'all see what I'm saying? I need to put on some lip product because, babes, I feel like my lips are very dry right now. Iowa winters is not playing this year. My skin has been dry, my lips have been dry, and I'm usually not even a dry skin girl, but this year it's different. So first I'm gonna go ahead and apply the baby skin primer first. Oh, I love this primer. I remember the first time I tried this primer in like middle school, I was like, wow, where did my pores go? At the time, I didn't even know pores were called pores. I was just so young. I loved makeup, I love skincare. I've always loved watching YouTube videos of beauty girls. I didn't even know the terminology for skincare, your face. I didn't know none of that until I got a bit older. Okay, y'all, it's getting kind of hot in here. Sweater thing is going to have to come off. Now I'm going to go in with the Power Grip primer. This is the pink one. I love both. Some people love this primer, some people don't. It really depends on your skin type. Obviously, not every product is going to work the same for every person because everybody has different skin. I like to let my primer sit and marinate, as I would say. I don't know the real word for it. I like to let it sit in for a couple of minutes, like 2 minutes tops. We don't got time for all that. I do like to let it sit in before I do anything else. What I didn't mention in this video that I forgot to mention that I meant to mention, that all these products are going to be very affordable. So don't worry, girl, if you're a baddie on a budget, I got you. This video is specifically for you. My favorite drugstore affordable foundation is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's so good, so good. Very, very full coverage. This is the dewy one. I don't know if they have a matte one, but this is the dewy one. It says dewy, so. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. I'm not gonna apply a lot on my forehead. I'm not even gonna apply literally none on my forehead because when I blend the foundation, I'm gonna blend it out to my forehead. I find that when I put foundation directly on my forehead, it's so cakey and it just does not look good. One thing I like about this foundation is the freaking applicator. Like, ugh, I love brands that have a good applicator. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. triangular brush to blend this out. After I blend it out with a brush, I like to go in with a beauty blender, but just to spread the product out and make sure it's all in my skin, I like to go in with the brush first. I'm gonna just go in and spray my beauty blender with some facial mist just to make it a little bit more damp. It's already wet, but I like to do this to make sure my foundation really blends out effortlessly. Totally optional, you don't have to do that, but this is just what I like to do for my makeup routine. I'm gonna go in and apply some more foundation because I just want a little bit more coverage on some parts of my skin. Yes, that is so much better. By the way, I like to let my concealer sit before blending as well, which is what I already did, but I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush. It's very old, girl. I've literally had it since high school, but hey, it works. I'm just going to start blending in light patting motions. I'm also going to blend it like to the side of my nose. You don't have to blend it all the way with the brush because we're also going to use the beauty blender to blend it. I'm going to use a mini beauty blender. Literally, look how cute this is. I love it. And I'm just going to make sure concealer sets in there. I'm also gonna contour. I really don't like to say contour because it's really not contouring for me. I just like to add a bit warmth to my face so I don't look so pale. And I'm gonna use the e.l.f. concealer for that. A little bit goes a long way with this, so I'm only gonna really put one little dot and two small ones on my nose to bronze up my nose. I love this Milani blush in the shade New Flush because it's like very natural. I'm literally running out of it. I need to get more. It's like very natural, as y'all can see. For powder today, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Fair Light. This is an OG powder I literally love. On my under eyes. Oof, girl, she's running low. What are you doing? Can I be free? This is how I feel. It's a difficult thing. Why you taking pictures in that lab here on? Lost my mind. City, excited to see your face. Hold me, console me, and then I'll leave without a trace. Come on, don't leave me. I have lash clusters on, and honestly I need to start doing these more often because it just saves me so much time doing lashes. Strip lashes take at least like 10 minutes. It takes out 10 minutes of your makeup routine. This just saves so much more time. I already have like some lip product on. Just adding a little bit of e.l.f. cream lip liner. I forgot the specific shade because they don't put the shades on the lip liner. I don't know why. Like, okay, but they're still really good. I have like this brown glittery lip gloss. I feel like it just ties the look together. I really want to try Dior lip glosses. I heard they're just like the e.l.f. lip oils, but I heard the Dior lip glosses are more sticky. So I'm like, is it really worth it? I don't like a sticky lip gloss on my lips. That really just overstimulates me. And here is how the finished makeup look turns out. Now we have one more step, and that is to see if it's flash back camera approved. So I'm gonna go on my camera. I'm gonna clean my camera. Always clean your camera first. And I'm going to turn the flash on, and we are recording. Here are the results. I literally love, guys, look how freaking smooth this is. So freaking good. I really ate that up. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure you guys comment down video ideas. We'll get to it ASAP. I need video ideas for 2025. I'm so excited to be back, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.